are everybody. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Flint Library. Croeso I Llyfrgell Fflint. Reg is my colleague here and I'm Judith, and we're going to do a special rhyme time today for you. We're going to have a couple of little poems. We've brought along a little friend for you to see. Marg was getting quite sad not being able to come to the library, so she's come along this afternoon. She's got her blanket there and she's going to sit in between us, socially distanced, and she's going to listen to a poem that Reg is going to read.
Exactly. So shall I go straight forward?
Yep.
Yep. Right. 5 little pussycats playing near the door. One ran inside and then there was 4. 4 little pussycats underneath a tree. One heard a dog bark, then there was 3. 3 little pussycats thinking what to do. One saw a little bird, and then there was 2. 2 little pussycats sitting in the sun. One ran to catch his tail, then there was 1. 1 little pussycat looking for some fun. He saw a butterfly, and then there was none.
Oh, that was lovely.
Dear.
Did you enjoy that, Marg?
Did
Yes,
you?
I did, she said. So I've got another poem here for Reg and for Marg and for all of you out there. It's called Cats and it's by Eleanor Farjon. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. And Marg has slept all morning, hasn't she?
Slept
She's
all
worn out.
morning.
Right, so shall we sing our welcoming song, Reg?
Shall we?
And then
Shall
we
we go
can do the
for it?
rhyme time. So here we go. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone,
How are you today?
Very well, thank you, we're okay. We've just begun, we're going to have some fun
with music, rhythm and rhyme.
Should we do a hello friendy eye?
Yes, shall we
Under
try that as
rhyme?
well?
Hello friendy. No, hello friend. I can't remember how it goes. Hello friendy eye. Hello friendy eye. Hello friendy eye. Hello our sweetie.
Yes.
Very good.
Very good.
We're now going to do one of our favourite songs, and is it Clap Your Hands,
Clap
Reg?
your hands, yes.
So here we
love
go.
this one.
Everybody out there, do all the actions. Get your hands clapping. So here we go. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Clap them just like me. Nod your head, nod your head, nod them just like me. Nod your head, nod your head, nod them just like me. Nod your head, nod your head, nod it just like me. Nod it just like me. Shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug your shoulders, shrug them just like me. Shrug them just like me. Pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat your knees, pat them just like me. Pat them just like me. Stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp your feet, stamp them just like me. Stamp them just like me. Oh, I enjoyed
I love
that.
that one. That's
I like the
brilliant.
stamping one, that's
Yeah,
good.
we do, don't we?
Right now, I think we're going to get into a rowboat,
Good,
are we, Reg?
yes,
And
shall
know
we
how
do
to
some
sing.
rowing?
Do you want to come with us, Mom?
Yeah, you come
We're a bit
in.
frightened of water, but she's coming anyway. So
Yeah,
off we go.
Off
Okay,
we
Reg.
go. So,
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
row, row, row your boat
Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
And rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, into the water we go.
Splash!
Row, row, row your boat
Gently out
to sea.
merrily, 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 back
Back in time for tea. Row, row, row your boat
gently down the
stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah!
Maud was quite frightened
Frightened
there.
then, wasn't she?
Do you want to go back in your basket?
Oh,
Right, keep out and
yes.
feel a bit safer there. Right, we're now going to do a little Welsh one. Me welas Jack a do. So I hope you're all going to join in there. Are we ready,
Are we
Reg?
ready? Should we go
Right, we're
for-
very good at Welsh, aren't we, Reg?
Not really, but we'll have a go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Me
Me
welas
welas Jack a do.
an eistedd ar y to. Hedwen ar y ben a dwi gosben ho ho
ho ho ho ho.
Uncanny
ho ho ho. Uncanny ho ho ho.
Hedwen ar y ben a dwi gosben ho 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 ho. We sounded like Father Christmas there
We
with our
did, didn't we, with
ho-hos.
our ho ho hos.
Right.
Right.
Well, this is where Maud comes into play again. So I'm going to take her out of the basket. We normally do one called Teddy Plays on the Swing, but we're going to do Mog instead. So don't get dizzy, Mog.
Yeah,
Are you ready,
exactly.
Reg?
Are we ready?
Go.
Go. Mog plays on the swing. Mog plays on the slide. Mog plays on the swing. And Mog plays on the slide. And she goes tick tock,
Tick tock, round and
round she goes. Tick tock,
tick
forward and
tock,
back.
round and round she goes. And she goes tick tock, forward and back, round and round she goes. Tick tock, forward and back, round and round she goes.
Mog plays on the swing. Mog plays on the slide. Mog plays on the swing.
And Mog plays on the slide, and she goes tick
Tock,
forward
and back. Round and round she goes. Tick tock, forward and back. Round and round she goes.
Do you feel a bit dizzy? Yes, she
Yes,
says.
she does.
Just like there.
Yeah.
Right, so finally, we're going to get on to the bus, and we're going to go to. Shall we go to Row-on-Sea and get an ice cream,
We
Reg?
can do, can't we?
Yeah,
Yes.
all get your
And we'll take
tickets
Mog with us as
ready,
well.
yeah. We have to wear our masks on the bus, though, don't we?
will, yes,
So when we get on, we'll put
definitely.
our masks on.
Yeah.
So here we go, after three.
After
1, 2, 3. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The doors on the bus go in and out, in and out, in and out. The doors on the bus go in and out all day long. The children on the bus bounce up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus bounce up and down all day long. The mummies on the bus go chatter, 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 chatter. The mummies on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter all day long. The daddies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The daddies on the bus go shh, 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 all day long. The babies on the bus go fast asleep, fast asleep, fast asleep. The babies on the bus go fast asleep all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Hooray! And it is a lovely sunny day. It would be quite nice to go to Renaissance.
Wouldn't it? Yeah.
Mark's so excited, she's fallen over.
Yeah.
Right, everyone, thank you for watching. We're all missing you very much. We love having you come visit us. So hopefully very soon we might be able to meet up in person. But in the meantime, have a lovely week, stay safe, and we'll sing our goodbye song, shall we?
Yeah, shall we go for it? Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone, goodbye everyone. We're really glad you come. We've had a lot of fun with music, rhythm and rhyme.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
We'll bow.
See you all soon.